I'm talking to the myth, the man, John, and his people. Man, who is that? I mean, who's your Tonto over there, man? Tell me who that brother is over there.
No legs, you see it.
So, man, y'all came down to visit me, man. I'm feeling blessed. Y'all came down to Money's Car Stereo, man. And people be saying, man, who's better, man? You or John? And I tell everybody, like you may have heard it from them, John has his style. I have my style. I'm not hating on nobody. I'm not hating on Scooter. I'm not hating on exclusive sound, unique sound. Nobody. Everybody got their own style. People follow who they follow. Yep. And so that's how
everybody has their own preference.
Yeah, they have their own preference, you know. And I've seen some stuff. I'm gonna get on Corey Dick because I've seen some shit that he doing over there. I'd be like, God damn.
Corey getting down.
He getting down. I'm like, man, I wanted to call him up one day and say, man, can I just hang out with you? Can I?
Yeah. You know what? Hey, I was just saying that today because the bike that me and him just did had the old school Kurt 6x9 label.
Yeah, the bike just left earlier. Got some of them.
Okay, so when I did the video, I was, you know what I'm saying, shouting out to Kurt because, you know, like I said, he's one of the best that did it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I saw the bike that was here been on since 07. That just finally showed up today.
So my thing is, you know, I try not to buy nobody's style. Or I can look at somebody else's style and get an idea and do it my way, so it'll be a little different.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I don't like buying nobody's style because I want nobody to sit there and say I bit their idea or this and that, whatever.
Yeah.
But I kind of hate that I didn't go and bite on fucking Kurt because he gave the shit up. He just quit. He don't do the shit no more.
Why he quit?
I don't know. I heard he's working at fucking Tesla.
Oh damn.
So,
okay, he need to get.
The thing is, like I said, I mean that man was raw. That man was.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, he's still right now. He makes the fucking label. He's got the
molds for it.
The mold for the.
Yeah, and I was looking at it. I was like, "Oh, that's all one solid piece." I was staring at it. I was like, "This is nice." First, when dude showed it to me, I was like, "Man, this is some bullshit, man." Let me open it up. I opened it up. I thought it was some Bondo. No, it was all one piece. I was like, damn, and it was had air,
same exact thing.
It had airspace up in there too.
Did you ever see the Southwest bike that was from Fresno?
No, I didn't see it.
The 4 Giottos on it is a Road King.
Oh no, I didn't see that one.
He had the 6x9s up here in the front.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we put 4 6x9s in the bags.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Mm.
That was the weekend. That was the weekend I went to Fresno.
What you saying? I didn't show up?
Hey,
I wasn't scared, John. I was not scared. I'm gonna put that out there.
No, I was hoping that he wasn't gonna show up. Because them 6x9. Oh, them motherfuckers was going dumb.
Oh, okay, okay.
And I was hoping he didn't show up. So he had technical difficulty with putting his bike together, so I still went to choke.
Okay. Well, I look at it this way: when there's a bike there that I've done, and you know that my bike is there, or whatever. And if I lose that person, in my mind, I still won.
Hold on.
What?
So I'm glad that you said that, right?
Yeah.
Because this last Fresno run,
that's
what happened to me. A bike that I did took first place.
Uh-huh.
That bastard.
You know you already still watching this video.
Yeah, DL. But I won second place. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, I wasn't mad because, you know what I'm saying, it was still a bike that I did.
Yeah.
And I still feel that I took first place.
Yeah, it's like, okay, we gonna win. It's kind of like both our trophy, but you keep it at your house.
I already know how he got me. You know what I'm saying? I know how he got me because he added a little something. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to say what it is.
Okay, but you know about it, huh?
But I know what it was, and that's the only reason he got me. So, I mean, you know, I just, you know, I
gotta accept defeat when it's there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it ain't
I'm coming. I know what it is. All I gotta do is to my bike, and you know what I'm saying. We're gonna go at it again.
We're gonna go at it again. Okay. Win, lose, or draw, we're gonna still show up and show out. Okay. So I'm back up to the Harley Davidson ride and stuff. What's your longest wheelie?
On a Harley?
On a Harley. Well, let's back it up. Let's take it back to sport bike.
One on that back street.
If we go back to sports bike.
Yeah, I heard you did some.
My longest wheelie was from High Street on 880. All the way to the 238 junction.
Oh, that's a stretch, John.
And I got witnesses.
What about that one on that Rough Rider video when you was on the wheelie coming down?
Fresno?
Yeah, in Fresno. How long was that? How long wheelie was that?
I don't know. I mean, I just know that other wheelie I did, I think that was like 7 miles. and my legs is cramping up and all type of shit.
Oh, okay, okay. And so we back it down to Harley Davidson.
Harley Davidson, I can't say. I mean, I've done. I'm gonna tell you, there's one that's floating around me and Big Manny when we was in L.A. Actually, on the video that you did for me. Remember at the end where you had when you was doing your little motor thing.
Yeah, fixing the motor and stuff. Yeah.
That was a nice long one.
Uh-huh.
I shipped into third gear, and I can just ride third gear all the way out. That's it. I can't shift to fourth. I don't have enough motor.
So you need more motor power to keep it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so when Nasty does his wheelies and he hops on the back of the bike, is that because he's running out of speed or he needs to create more balance to keep the bike up?
No, he's got power to bring the bike up. What he's doing is, on the Harley Davidsons, normally you gotta pop the wheelie up in first gear.
Yeah.
So what he does, he pops up, shifts into second, and then he stands up on the seat. That way, second gear gives him a longer distance to do a longer wheelie than first gear would. So, you know what I'm saying? He'll pop it up at first.
Yeah.
Then he'll hit second, and then he'll stand up on the seat. That way he can